Hello! In today's video I'm going to share how I cut these fun Christmas ornaments on my xTool F1 laser machine. I hope you find this video helpful and I will link this laser machine below this video. So I got all of these files from Etsy from various sellers and I like to use the SVG files provided. If you make ornaments like these, where you need to fit the different bits and bobs into slots, it's important to keep the elements as they were originally designed, otherwise the holes will be too big or too small for the cutouts. Once I had all of these selected, I changed the cutting settings to power 100 and speed 5. I was using 3mm birch plywood. Then I moved one of the elements onto the XCS workspace to be processed and selected output and moved all of the other ones out of the way and selected ignore. Next I framed my design on the wood and it was ready to be processed.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look.
I still needed to cut all of the other ones, and so I changed this one to ignore and swapped it for the second one, which I set as output and cut it out.
Up in the December night, there is one star shining bright. It shines.
And I tried to arrange the little ornament in the workspace to save wood, and I also find it rather satisfying. It makes me feel like I'm really organized even when I'm not, so yeah, it was fun. I then selected them and chose output and cut them out.
Simmer down, pass a big smile around, now that everything is gold. The children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one.
I know it's a bit fiddly, but it's doable. And if the only machine you have is the xTool F1, I want you to know that there is a way of doing this. I mean, I have learned that the F1 and F1 Ultra are not ideal for cutting out wood. They are amazing for engraving wood and other materials, but just not perfect for cutting out plywood, in my opinion. Here is a similar design I cut on my D1 Pro 20W machine, and the cut is a lot cleaner and less burned. But I'm just saying it can be done and the cutouts still look good. When you cut out layered ornaments, you can make the layers as big or as small as you like, as long as they are all the same size and fit well together. And that's what I'm cutting out here right now.
Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around, now that everything is gold. The children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch.
Because the F1 is a galvo laser, it cuts the elements at a slight angle. So when you put them together, there will be like little steps in the layers. You can use sandpaper and file the edges once the layers are glued together, but I didn't really mind at all. Here is one done on my D1 Pro 20 watt again, just to show you the difference. This footage is from last year, before I owned my P2 machine, so I will make ornaments this year on my xTool P2 laser because I'm really happy with this machine and I use it all the time now. And lastly, I made this heart ornament. It's just 2 layers. This is the first one.
Shine on, Christmas star.
Then I try to have both layers engraved at the same time. So the wings are supposed to be cut out, but I try to engrave them instead. But I also cut them out, and although parts of the wings were on the burnt side, they still held together, not crumbling or anything. I think it was just burnt on the top surface of the plywood. Anyway, I added a few layers of paint on them, and look at this.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas.
I let my son color most of these ornaments and he's done an amazing job. We use the Artistro acrylic paint pens, which are my absolute favorite, and to glue the layers together I used Gorilla Wood glue. I really can't wait to make more Christmas ornaments this year and just give them to friends and family, since our Christmas tree is getting pretty full already. Let's clutter other people's homes instead. Merry Christmas! Oh, not yet, but soon! Bye!
Shining bright.